Hey, Jenny Bradley here. I'm a divorce lawyer in Cary, North Carolina. And if you've been following our videos, you know that we highlighted some mistakes people make when they do their own separation agreement. Well, this week, I'm going to talk about some more of those mistakes, and I'm going to beg you, please have a lawyer look at your agreement before you sign it. So here's one of the mistakes we see in these agreements that people bring to us a year later and say, help me enforce it. He's not doing what he's supposed to be doing. Well, you didn't write enough in there for a court to know what to enforce. You just said, we'll file the taxes together jointly, and you didn't say how you were going to divide the refunds or the liabilities. So what is a court going to do? So a second mistake that we see often in agreements is not dealing with what happens if someone goes to court to ask for child support. Now, this is a little tricky. It's a little detailed. It's what lawyers make money at by knowing these nuances, okay? I'm not here to try to make money on you. I'm trying to save you from a very costly mistake. If you go to court and a judge orders someone to pay less than the agreement says, that's great for the court order, but they're still on hook for the contract, just like it's a lease that you signed. It's still a binding contract. And the third mistake I want to talk about involves read what you are doing. Seems really simple, but these agreements on the internet have all kinds of things in them that don't apply to you here in North Carolina. We've had people come to our office and have other states mentioned in the agreement, such as we'll be bound by California law. That doesn't make any sense when people live here. And how am I supposed to advise you on California law? I'm a North Carolina lawyer. So change the entire document to reflect your situation if you insist on going this route and doing this yourself. Look, we know a lot of people are trying to save money right now, and it does seem cheaper to do your own agreement. And it might be for you, but if you have any of these mistakes, it's going to cost you a lot more in the end. So please have a lawyer read your agreement before you sign it, and please be sure that you understand all of it before you sign it. Words mean things in the law, and you need to be sure that they mean what you want them to mean. If you'd like more information about this, click here for our free download on some more tips and tricks about doing your own separation agreement.